We've seen a rise in volatility in the past week. Markets have been a bit jumpy with the start of earnings season. Joining me to talk about whether or not we should expect that to continue is Will McGough. He's the portfolio manager for the Stadion Market Opportunity Fund. Welcome, Will.
Thanks, Greg. Thanks for having us.
All right, so things are getting a bit uneasy out there. Is this a good time to sell in May and go away?
Well, we would definitely agree that
It's not even May yet.
Well, we would definitely agree that there's been a slight change in character of the markets over the last couple of weeks. Starting with Cyprus, investors got a little jittery. We've seen small caps underperform here over the last couple of weeks, and so, things are definitely, perilous, so to say. And it's a little early before May, so we don't know if it's sell in April and go away this year. But that's just how it goes. We got to be tactical and follow whatever the prevailing trend is.
And you're a tactical shop. Tell us how you manage money. You like ETFs as opposed to picking individual stocks, right?
That's correct. We definitely believe that ETFs offer us the best way to express our macro viewpoints, and we eliminate single stock risk and invest in broad asset classes.
All right, so explain exactly how you do it, how you choose the ETFs for your portfolio, because you've recently rolled out a brand new fund. Even though you've been around for a while, you recently rolled out a brand new fund.
Well, that's correct. Well, the fund's been around for 9 years. Stadion just adopted the track record, and Paul Frank came on board as a portfolio manager with us. And so what we do is, we look at Sharpe ratios to kind of figure out what sectors or market caps or areas of the market are performing the best, and then we'll generally tilt the portfolio in favor of those securities.
All right. So which sectors have you been moving towards? And then when you get out of a sector or when you get out of equities, do you get into bonds or you get into cash?
Well, the market opportunity seeks to stay fully invested for the most part, and we've seen, it's not rocket science what we're doing. We've seen healthcare, consumer staples, utilities lead the market the last couple of weeks, so that's where we definitely have our focus right now. Now, the portfolios outside of market opportunities, the managed strategy and other strategies will go more defensive as they're more conservative offerings, and we will use cash in those funds.
What's wrong with bond ETFs?
Well, most of our strategies, our investors like us to derive our risk from the equity markets, and so bonds just offer more risk, and so we generally like to flatline the strategy, and that means going to cash.
All right. Are there any other catalysts that you're worried about that might drive you even more into cash? I know earnings season has been a little bit unsettling. You mentioned Cyprus. Are you worried about any Fed meetings? What can happen over the course of the summer that can really tilt your portfolio into cash?
Well, that's the great thing about what Stadion does is all of these future catalysts don't really matter right now, because what we do is follow rules-based discipline and process to look back. We react to the market. So we basically will adapt to whatever the market gives us at the current time.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Street.